In this video, I know I look a little broke down, but I'm going to do some serious cleaning. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, then you stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe. And you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on the budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell and then click all, and you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And today I am doing a major clean. If you didn't know, the location of my stove in my kitchen, well, let me show you. My oven or stove is here against the wall here. And you know when you cook, you get poppage from grease. And if you're steaming, you get whatever on the walls. But I'm going to try to get up where you can see. Okay. I don't know if you can see that very well. But it is grease stains on the wall here. By where the stove is. Let me cut the light down some. Maybe that'll help. Yeah, you can see it right there. The grease on the wall. And back there, how the steam from the microwave and the steam from the stove and grease spots on the wall. Yeah, ugly, don't like it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put a product to the test. I'm going to be using the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser. It's naturally derived cleaner. It's a lemongrass scent. It's non-toxic. It's plant-based. It says down here on the bottom, it powers through grease, burnt on mess, and splatters. So we're going to see how this does. Now, one thing I am aware of is that this is flat paint. Okay, here's a disclaimer. Do not use flat paint in the kitchen or in a house around children, because once you go to wipe up a mess, it tends to take off the paint. Never use flat paint in the kitchen, because when you go to scrub off grease or grime, there goes the paint. So we're going to try to pull this stove out, I am, and sweep and mop behind it, and then spray the walls and scrub the walls and try to get this grease and stuff off the wall. And if need be, then it'll be another video of me painting this wall, which I have a strong feeling that painting is in my future, because I've tried to clean before and I've seen paint come off. So I have a feeling that your girl will be doing, next thing she will be doing is you'll see me taping off these counters so I don't get paint on them, and microwave and repainting these walls, because flat paint, ugh. So let me go ahead and try to pull this stove out and get to work. Ew. Okay, mind you, I haven't pulled this stove out since we've been here. So I don't know, some of this stuff is from when they put it in. But it's nasty back here. Let me show you. Yeah. See, some of this had to be here before me, because yeah. Okay. So now I'm finna sweep it. Now I'm finna sweep it and look at that. And get to cleaning. I'm gonna have to repaint this. I know that. I see now. Okay. So let's see how this stuff works. Okay, now I'm using this towel because I want to be able to see if any of the grease comes off. And I will be doing this brush to try to scrub some rough areas, which I know there are. And again, I'm going to be using the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser. Let me move you over so you can see. Okay, let's see. It says for stubborn splatter, spray and wipe. For burn-on misses, let the surface cool completely before spraying and give the degreaser about 3 minutes to do its thing and then wipe. Don't forget to rinse the cookware or cooking surface with water before wiping. Not for use of glass or ceramic stovetops, marble or aluminum surfaces. So, I'm not sure if it's going to work on this. Because I'm really not seeing anything but the wet on the towel from the degreaser spray. So, let me do a touch test, see if I can tell a difference. I don't really feel a difference. So that has been a disappointment. Well, maybe if I let it sit a little while. Actually, to me, it seems like they just painted over the grease and didn't clean the grease. Because I'm looking at what I did just wipe. And where I have sprayed from me using it, let me move you. Okay, like I was saying, where I sprayed over here on this wall, the major wall, and did some wiping, I see that the grease area is getting a little cleaner. I even wiped a little here. I see a little change, but not as much as I was hoping to see. But in the area with the major grease, what I am seeing is the paint coming off. Can you see that? So that's one thing I am seeing. Let me give you a closer look. See that the paint is coming off? I'm thinking the reason why I'm having so much issues is that they didn't clean the wall from whoever was here before. They just painted over it instead of getting the grease off, because I know doggone well that all that there was, no, I didn't do all of that. That has come through the paint. So now that means I'm gonna have to keep cleaning with degreaser, and it was suggested that I try some Dawn and vinegar on this to get it all out, and then I'm gonna have to paint this wall. So today I clean, especially down there. Ugh. I clean, and then after it dries thoroughly, which will probably be tomorrow, and then you're gonna see me paint this area. Yeah. It's not like I don't mind painting. I'll paint, but it's just that it's a little frustrating when you see stuff that wasn't done correctly. So that means I need to get some primer first, so I can scrub as much off as I can, and then use some primer to paint, and then paint it. And then I still need to put something on this wall to keep the grease from popping on it and everything. Now the back wall looks a lot better. It's just the side wall. So let me quit complaining and clean some more. Okay, the stove has been put back in place. So now all I do is wait for the wall to dry, and we'll be back with paint. If you haven't gone already to check out CreativelyMsMe.com, check out my website, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and content creators. And don't forget to join for the quickest updates.